Hi, I'm Greg Piper with United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. And today I'm going to give you a video tour of a Donzi Z275, and it's a 2000 model. So let's get started here in the aft cockpit. Now this is a maxi-trailerable 27 foot and does come with a trailer. You'll see it's very compact in layout, however, it does feature the nice wet bar area here. And it does have seating for 4 adults facing aft and facing forward. There's a walk-through transom to the swim platform. You'll notice that the stereo has been upgraded on this boat and does feature some subwoofers as well. Moving forward on the boat, see it's a very basic helm station with GPS chart plotter, but your controls are there for your 12-volt anchor windlass and also your remote spotlight. The full camper top's in excellent condition and is not very old. It features a self-supporting overhang, so you can remove all the side windows and have a full bimini top front to back. Helm station is a double-wide bench seat, and there is a walk-through to the windshield. So let's head on down. Very generic design to this boat. You'll see the convertible V-berth. I would like to point out that all of the fabrics used on this boat are of an easy cleaning variety of snap-in carpets that are over the full fiberglass liner, vinyl seat cushions, and easy cleanup on the steps as well, which are part of that fiberglass mold. So it is a mid-cabin design. You see the table for the cockpit is stored there for now. Compact yet fully featured galley, single burner stove, refrigeration, microwave. There's your Clarion stereo, and also your main control panel. The air conditioning controls are in there as well, so it does feature the windlass and the air conditioning. Got your electric flush toilet system here. You got a pull-out hand wand for the shower, and does drain to a sump pump. So again, looking around here, the convertible V-berth, galley area. Let's step up towards that wet bar again. So this is a Donzi Z275 maxi-trailerable, offered for sale with United City Yachts. More details can be found on our website, unitedcityyachts.com. So visit us for your finance needs and your cross-border services as well. I'm Greg Piper, and thanks for watching today.